Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by protecting what matters and removing local traces. First, save any conversations or photos you need. Once done, clear Tinder's cache or uninstall the app to wipe local preferences. Next, log out and remove Facebook, Instagram, or Spotify links so the app loses external signals. Finally, create a plan for a new profile. Pick fresh photos and rewrite your bio. This combination ensures the algorithm sees a clean starting point and prepares you for the first actionable profile changes. Now you rebuild the signals Tinder uses to score you. Upload 4 to 6 varied, high-resolution photos showing face, full body, and activity shots. This diversifies engagement. Then craft a short bio listing 2 to 3 genuine interests plus a single prompt to invite messages. Adjust your age and location to accurate values and only reauthorize location or permissions Tinder needs. Once done, avoid linking old social accounts immediately. Let the new profile gather fresh interaction. Finish by actively engaging to teach the algorithm your new preferences. For 1 to 2 weeks, swipe consistently during peak times, send short, thoughtful openers, and reply quickly to matches. This increases positive engagement metrics. Consider 1 or 2 boosts or super likes to accelerate visibility, but use them sparingly. Make sure to monitor response rates and tweak photos or bio if matches stall. If nothing changes after a few weeks, delete the account and create a new one as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.